Open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new video. Tap the red circle on the bottom of the screen to record a video. The audio in this video is what will become your custom sound. Tap the red circle again when you're finished recording. Then tap the red check mark on the bottom right of the screen. You can edit the audio using the options on the bottom and side panels. For example, you can slow down the audio using the slow-mo effect. Clip the audio, or add a voice effect. When you're finished, tap Next. Tap Post to post your TikTok. On the TikTok video, tap the spinning record on the bottom right of the screen here. Tap Add to Favorites to use the audio later. You'll now be able to add the sound to future TikTok videos. Alternatively, tap Use this sound to create a new TikTok video using your custom sound. The audio will be displayed at the top of the screen here.